Hey guys, GMX here, and welcome to today's video. In today's video, we'll be using my extractor that I used in my cleaning up my car video around my house. The spots we're going to be cleaning up are from areas where my dogs have joyously enjoyed pets or scratches by a coffee table and happened to spill a drink or two, or in one area where coffee got spilled as I was coming in the door. They'd kind of just haphazardly jumped up on me accidentally and spilled coffee over the staircase, so we'll be cleaning that up as well. So today's video will be kind of relaxing, just kind of cleaning up some spots, and I'll go over some of the tips and tricks I use for cleaning these spots up. When cleaning up spots like these, it is very critical that you vacuum and make sure all dirt and debris is up before you start extracting. The reason for this is you don't want that gunk and hair and things like that to clog up your extractor. So after a couple rounds of vacuuming and cleaning up, what I did was I sprayed the entire stain with Full X spot cleaner. After spraying down the stain with Full X spot cleaner, I went ahead and took a drill brush with a large brush pad on it. For the cleaning solution and the drill brush heads, I will have those linked in the description below if you want to pick them up for yourself. Now you really want to work it in both ways. You want to kind of do a cross pattern to make sure you cover every kind of fiber, get that spot remover in the fibers of the carpet. The extractor I'm using is the Bristle Spot Clean Pro, and you guys can pick it up at the link down in the description below. Some people might recommend to use the spot cleaner or any cleaning solution in your extractor. While this is sometimes good, sometimes it's better just to have hot water in your extractor and to put the shampoo or spot cleaner on beforehand like I'm doing here. The reason for that is that you can actually tell when all the solution is out of the carpet, and this is beneficial because you do not want to have leftover shampoo and spot cleaner left on your carpet. Sometimes it can make the carpet stiff or can cause damage to the carpet if left on for a long period of time. So as you can see, I'm taking multiple passes here with my extractor, making sure to get a lot of that dirt and debris up, and then making sure that it is all nice and clean. Now I'm doing a couple extra passes just to make sure all the water is clear when it's coming through my extractors, so that I can make sure that all the solution is out of the carpet. Now that we've done our first pass, let's take a look and compare to our original and see where we might need to do a little bit more. And as you can see on the right side here on the second shot, you can see that it probably needs a little bit more touch up just to get it a little bit better. So to do that, we'll start the same process, do the spraying, do the drill brush, and extract it just the same way. As you can see, the second pass didn't do as much as I would have hoped, pretty much the same as previously, so not much advantage of doing that second pass there. If I really wanted to get it clean, I might get a whole house kind of extractor thing that you can get at a place like Ace Hardware or Lowe's or anything like that to do the whole carpet to make it kind of uniform. But these spots are pretty much, for the most part, cleaned up, not as noticeable, not as big as before, so I'm happy with it. Now the final spot is right here on my staircase. This is where my dogs got a little bit excited when I came home one day and I had a little coffee in my hands. Spilt all over the staircase, so we'll be cleaning this up as well. Again, we're going to be doing the same process of just wetting it, and I actually have a smaller little brush head that I can get into any tighter nooks and crannies that the big drill brush will not be able to get into. Now that we got those stains taken care of, you can see they're nice, clean, and fresh. I made sure to get up all the solution, made sure my water is running clear, clean out my extractor, and was all set to go. Like I said about the second pass on that first big stain, the rest of the carpet probably needs to be deep cleaned as well. I might go ahead and get an extractor for the whole thing or hire someone to do that so that all my carpet is clean and not full of stains and dirt and debris. So. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a nice, calming, relaxing for me to clean up on a nice Sunday afternoon. So if you guys liked the video, be sure to give it a like and subscribe as well for more content like this or other content like my gaming videos, anything like that. If you guys have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comments below. And if you guys want to catch me over on Twitch where I play video games, I actually stream or try to stream every Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday from 6 to 9 p.m. Central Time. So if you guys want to catch me there, I look forward to seeing your faces. And with that, I'm going to leave you guys and hope you guys have a great one. All right, bye.